Hey everyone and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about best dental insurance in Canada. So if you're looking for dental care, then you can head over to PolicyMe, and this offers really great offers. Like for example, PolicyMe is a guaranteed issue dental care and guaranteed issued economic plans are two most cost-effective ones. So let's see which one they are. You can see we have the ratings. PolicyMe dental care 106 per month and coverage of 18% above industry average. We have a green shield, a bit more, but the rating is not at that level. So you can see we have manual life, and we have other as well. So if you want to go with a dental care insurance, then I highly recommend Policy Me, honestly. And yeah, so this looks so far so good. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.